Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make TikTok thumbnails that actually convert in 2025. So if your videos are getting the views but not the clicks, your thumbnail is the problem. So I will show you how you can design the eye-catching covers that make people stop scrolling. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So you already know that when you upload your video on TikTok, you are going to see the option of select cover. So you can scroll through the video and choose a frame that looks clear, expressive, and that matches to your topic. Now, if you want to create a custom thumbnail, I would highly recommend you to use Canva. So you need to come here on canva.com, then sign up with the help of your email address. Over here you will see the option of the search bar, so you just have to use it. Then click on the option of TikTok thumbnails. Now once you search for TikTok thumbnails, you are going to see a bunch of different thumbnail templates. So you can click on any one of the templates in which you are interested. After that, simply click on the option of customize this template. Now once you do this, you will be landed inside this particular canvas where you can start customizing your template. Over here you can first of all go to the designs tab, and here you can make changes into the designs that you have selected. Just make sure that it doesn't have this type of icon because it is for Canva Pro. Now once you have added it here in your timeline, it is going to look something like this. Now you can go to the elements tab and you can just simply search for any of the elements that you want on top of your thumbnail. After that, simply go to the text section and click on the option of the text. Here you just have to place your text just like so. After that, you just have to add or subtract any of the elements that you see here on your thumbnail, and then you can also make changes into the background. You can add a bunch of different other colors. So once you are done editing, you just have to download your thumbnail in the form of PNG, and now you can use this custom thumbnail on your TikTok account as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.